I look like crap. It's today. Yay. I just showered. My last real shower for like 3 weeks. Very good. So excited. It's like 5 a.m. here in DC, and then it's not till 11:30. So this is what I'm wearing. Some yoga pants. And then, but this will be gone. No more. Yes. Okay. Can't put on any deodorant. Can't eat. Don't they know I'm Arab? We need deodorant. I used baking soda actually to clean that area. So just words of advice and my antibacterial soap. I'll keep you updated, definitely. And I'm excited. There's no nervous bone in my body. I gotta remember that patch behind my ear. Alrighty, keep you updated.